So Rofi started to organize company offsites in 2014. So we have been doing it already for a while. Over the years, we started to organize larger and larger events. The startups that were small, they became larger scale-ups and they organized retreats with us. And now we have more than 100 locations across Europe, US and Central America. We understand how important it is for you to build a perfect agenda, because you are meeting once, twice a year. You maybe want to align on the strategy for the company. Maybe you want to come with a new product. Maybe you want to organize a hackathon. Maybe you grew so fast in the last 6 months that you just want to build the culture, because that's the challenging part of being a remote company. All that agenda, that work part of the retreat is already quite challenging. That's why we are here to help you with all the logistic part. You don't have to think about choosing the right location, choosing the right venue. We want to make sure that this is smooth so you can get maximum output of your retreat.
First call that we have, the most important thing is to understand what the goal of the event is and what you want to accomplish. The initial stage of the retreat planning process is really to set kind of the location and the venue type. We're able to send you right away an opening proposal based on our expertise and based on the conversation that we had that matches what you're trying to accomplish with the event. The more time in advance that you start looking for a venue, the better chance you have for securing the ideal setup. The holy grail for organizing group events is if you get exclusivity of an entire venue, and something like this is only possible with a lot of time in advance.
Once a retreat is confirmed, we create a dashboard that is basically a one-stop hub with all their information. So it contains information about their schedule, the hotel, the location, also, for example, team building activities, so they can go through the options and see what fits best with their group. It's very useful information that they can later on share with their team. We also simplify the invoicing process, so it's very easy for the clients. Everything will just go through SurfOffice. Every retreat has one dedicated retreat planner. You're one person to organize basically everything for you. So that person, of course, will then understand the needs of the client. If you organize a retreat on your own, you often don't really know what is needed. We all want to save you, the client, time in the planning process. And I think with our experience, we are able to do that.